Dripping the sauce.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna get into a coloring video. Just a heads up, I'm not a professional, so I do everything the best that I can with the knowledge that I have. So in this next clip, I'm gonna show you where the closure is a tad bit lighter than the bundles are. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of tint the bundles a little lighter first, and then I'm going to go in with some highlights in each bundle. So right now I'm just showing you the products and the tools that I'm going to use. Sorry for all the I'm not used to this, so maybe I'll get used to it. And if you want to count all the I might say in this video, if you want to do that, and comment down below and let me know how many times I say it. But back to the video, there's another one, sorry. But these are the combs and tools and stuff that I use, a bowl to mix my bleach in, and a brush to apply the bleach to the hair. So whenever using chemicals, you always want to use gloves, because this bleach could burn your skin. So always use your gloves. Now let's get started. I'm going to do equal parts of each one of the bleach and the developer. And I'm going to try to get a consistency of like maybe pancake batter or cake batter, whatever you want to call it. Something not too thick, because the only time you want the bleach to be thick is when you're bleaching a front or a closure, because you don't want the bleach to go through the lace. But I want my bleach to be a little loose right now, so I'm gonna add a little more developer and mix it in really good. And right here, as you can see, I'm trying to be all professional and act like I know what I'm doing, but in reality, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow. I got this bristle brush to kind of separate the hair so each hair can get some bleach on it. So I'm gonna go and do that all the way up the shaft, of the hair and leave like a dark root. But I come in with the comb to kind of detangle it and make sure each strand has some bleach on it. So I'm going to set that bundle aside and get started on the second bundle. And the hair is going to turn really quick because in the beginning of the video you saw that I use a 40 volume developer. That is, I think, the strongest developer, and on camera you can see this hair turning instantly. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it off and come back and show you. B-boy dripping the sauce. Now I'm back with the hair bundle. You can't really tell because the hair is wet, but it is a tad bit lighter. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves back on and get ready to add some kind of highlights to the hair. I repeat to you, I'm not a professional. This is just something that I'm trying, that I saw on a YouTube video, so yeah, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. I'm not exactly sure what happened to the footage of me parting the hair, but later in the video you will see exactly how I parted this hair and split it for the highlights. Now right here at this time, I'm just going to wrap the hair up with this aluminum foil so the process can go a little faster and I don't have to sit and wait. And I'm going to check the rest of the bundles. I already did it for time's sake. So we're going to check the rest of the bundles and see how they got to the color that I wanted. And this one haven't, so I'm just going to add a little more bleach and fold it back up. And now I'm gonna tackle this closure. I went on and wetted a little bit so the bleach can go on a little smoother. And as you can hear, somebody want to take over my voiceover, so we gonna let her have this. But back to this closure, I'm just straightening it out, getting all the tangles out of it so that the bleach can go on easily. And right here off to the side, you'll see me mixing some more bleach for this closure, because what I did was I did a little at a time because I'm so used to using a lot, I'll end up with a lot of left. B-boy dripping the sauce.